What's up, everyone? Welcome back. It's your boy D Fresh in the building. I hope all is well, and I hope all is doing better than your boy, because I'm dealing with some type of virus, some type of cold, some type of bug that's out there that's got your boy down for the count. But no worries, you already know I'm gonna bring the heat, let you guys know what to expect going into tomorrow's session, and that way you can dominate these plays and avoid Wall Street's nonsense. But before we jump into it, y'all do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. All right, family, let's dive into it. How about that SPY call out this morning? You know, they started off going up and then we start running down, and we got that huge play down. If we take it to the charts, we see what they did to us in the beginning. We had that candle go down and down. They kept running down. They hit my level right here, and I said, family, alert. Let's take it to the Discord. I said, be careful here if you still in puts. Bears can try to rebound here at 664.80. If they are weak, let your runners ride to 663.75. No back on the wick, which meaning don't trust that wick down, because they're going to hit that target, and sometimes they like the wick through. And if we see, that was the perfect example. They hit my target right here that I called out, 664.90. They wicked to have you think that they was going to continue to the downside. And what happened? We wicked back up to that level, and man, it was off to the races after that. They never looked back. They ran that thing all the way up. And family, it ain't just me giving you the calls to the downside. That's just protecting you, protecting your funds. And that way, if you were in puts, you already know, hey, let's go ahead and take some profit, leave the runners. But man, let's go ahead and start getting our sights set on the upside. And man, we called it to the upside. If you check in the Discord, see where we finished out at, you already know your boy put those numbers out there and gave you areas of interest to watch for the upside run as well. So we killed the SPY today. Couple other things we killed. You already know we put Tesla on the map. We know what happens at the Tesla breakthrough 414. It's 420, and that's exactly what they did. I told you guys, chill out in Tesla. Today, Tesla got some areas of interest that's going to give them some problems trying to make this a good day to the upside. And we see, man, they got rejected in that area. They was never able to get higher than the level that I put out in the Discord, and we came back down. So these are a few different things that you get when you rock with your boy. I let you know these areas of interest to consider. That way, if you was thinking about going long, these are areas that you can say, all right, you know what? Let me go figure out what that level is Fresh is talking about before I go long, because if he's saying that it's going to be an issue right here, man, I don't want to go long and then it gets smacked back down and I start losing money. But we're going to talk Tesla, SPY, and a couple different tickers here in a second. But for right now, newbies, beginners, y'all come on up. I got a couple for you. First one out of the gate is going to be ticker symbol SOFI. And this one right here, they are sitting at 28.35. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than this top right here at 28.50. If they can do that right there, the next push up is going to be to this 28.60. Then you got the next run up 28.75, and then boom, you got 29.05 en route. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than this stuff right here, 28.10. If they can do that right there, the next push down is going to be to test this stuff over here at 27.95, and then boom, you got this stuff down here at 27.70. Next ticker up, advanced traders, y'all come on up. We got NVDA. And this one right here, they sitting at 176.90. If you are a bull, you want to see them recapture this 178.30 level. If they can do that, you got next level up 178.85, and then boom, you got 179.30 in play. Turbulence at 179.55 before they try to break out and boom this thing. They can run this thing back up to this 180 area, 181. To the downside, you want to see them get back up under all this stuff up in here. Let's call it 175.80. They can do that. Their next push down is going to be the 175.20, and then they can start running it down much lower from that point right there. This will be a bullish demand area where the bulls can try to run it back up at. Let's call that 173.95. Next ticker up, we got Palantir. And Palantir, if you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 164.70. If they can do that right there, their next push up is going to be to take out these tops right here at 165.20, and they can slow grind this thing back up to this 166.95 level. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 162.65. If they can do that, next push down is going to be to 161.90, and then boom, you got 160.70 in play. Big baller shot callers, y'all come on up to the table. We're going to throw a couple for you. And the SPY, we seen what the SPY did. If you are a bull, you want to see them get back to these highs right here, 176.20. The next push up is going to be to that 178 level. Consolidating above that, you got boom. You got 60, 80, 50 in play. To the downside, you want to see them get back to this 673.80 area. They can do that right there. You got turbulence down to this 672.40 area. It start getting bad after that. They can slow grind this thing down. You got 670.20 in play. Next level down is going to be to test this stuff down here, 669.05. So there's a couple different levels in that one right there for you to pay attention to. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol TSLA. And this one right here, they are sitting at these tops right here at 420. You see this area, that is a heavy level, heavy level. If you are a bull, you want to see them go ahead and knock those tops out of the way, because opening up even where we at right now, that's an area of interest that the bulls is going to run into, and the bears are not going to go quiet. If you are a bull, you want to see them go ahead and get that out of the way, open up at 421.80. They can do that right there. They can start running up. Your next push after that is going to be to test that 424 area, and then you got 428, and then we jump back into these decision-making level zones right here. You want to see them get above 432.30. If they can do that, their next push up is going to be to 439.30. Back to the downside, you want to see them open lower than 417.10. Their next push down is going to be to 414.20, and we already know losing that level right there. What's that next level? Is going to be 412.25. Back en routes to the lower stuff. Turbulence at 411.20, and then they start coming back down to the likes of 408, 404, 400. But don't worry, I'll have those levels updated before the market open up. There's a few different tickers for you to put on your radar going into tomorrow. We got Thanksgiving on the way. Y'all make sure y'all don't get yourself too wrapped up in the market. Y'all get out there, get some food going, and enjoy the time with your friends and family. That's all I got for you today. If you're watching and you're not in the Discord, y'all come join us. We out here grinding. For everybody else, I'll see you over there first thing in the morning. Until then, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVDA, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, with grinding, good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.